Folks, welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. As we I don't know what we welcome Blue Bike Noise channel for another episode of Dickin around in the shed. We got the as the title on that last video says, mistakes was made. Yeah, I didn't make them. I didn't mix the hardener as much as I needed to, and it never got hard. I had to set it for about 4 days. Dropped the key. So I came back with some more and made it hotter, and it's set up. I'll show you. Get my key. Have I said run an intro? Okay, as you can see, that's all, folks. Not really, we're just getting started. The vinyl, I was cleaning off everything. So, here's this one. I done put the other one up. I'll cut this part out where the stake goes. That's here where you get your little shards like that. That's where you get your fiberglass. Yeah, I just didn't make it as hard as I needed to. That's what happens. I don't know what you would see when you don't make it hot. So I redid it, put a little bit more hardener in it. But you got to be careful. You got to work fast. Here's all the parts and pieces. Oh man, I'll put this in here until we get ready to use it. I painted the door panel. It's good and cured. Hey, this thing had Pioneer's door speakers in it. Too bad. Excuse me. Too bad we ain't using them. Using Rockford Fod's gates. So what we're doing is we're gonna put some extra lights on the Spyder. I'm just gonna pull it out where I can get to stuff. I give you enough room to work. Ooh. So what we're doing is we're gonna get rid of those cheap eBay specials and go with these the sling mods. These are the passenger goes around the passenger floorboards like we did the other one. They white and yellow, but I'm gonna use them up here on the top of the custom raised floorboards. I just think it'll look better to me. I got these on Black Friday sale. So I just made a comment on my video. Not this one. Alright, as you can see, it's working. And it's just a simple plug and play. You got a extension wire that goes to this. Oh, we got a sticker. Got a sticker. Oh, you gotta need a sticker. And these are Trace. They from Trace, but they TraceLD.com, and they passenger floorboard. But you get a plug, and like I said, I already got the plugs for these, and the front ones and all. So it's just plug and play. It doesn't get no simpler than that. So what we need to do now is even give you extra wires if you needed extra wires. But we don't need those. But I'll save them for when we do need something. Never throw nothing away. Even comes with like little wire clamps that you can, I guess, screw to something. They don't show where you screw it to. But it even comes with that and little wire holders. You get a primer, alcohol prime, pad, and a primer. So I'm gonna put it right here on this this rod that I made And it's going to work out perfectly. So I'm just going to clean this off right here. I can cut these off, can I? Little alcohol swab. Let that dry for a minute. Alright, the alcohol swab is swabbed. And now I'm going to put the primer. If I can open it, which I can't. I can't open it. I can open it. One way to open it. I'll get the primer out. Little primer pad. It's just to help the stuff stick. I'm going to go down through there and put that primer on there. And then I always like to rub this 3M tape. I don't know if it works or not, but it kind of activates the glue under it. And then you just peel it off, peel and stick. If you had fingernails, there you go. And then you can see the back of my elbow, like that. See, I hope so. So I done marked it off, kinda, and it fits perfectly in that little, on that little thing. So a little pressure and hold it, and we're gonna go all the way down. Just like so. And then I'm gonna take my wire from right here and unplug it. That's just so I can sit this behind there, because I wasn't smart enough to do it first. Alright. Now we go over the top. There you have it. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to take some zip ties and fuss and cuss, because I can't get my big fat hands up behind there until I get it. And then we'll be right back. Simple, simple, simple. I like simples. Hot dog, we got it. See, so it works out pretty good, don't it? I think it does. You turn the blinker on, it blinks. I think that's a whole lot better than that other thing we had. What you get for buying eBay stuff. Evil Bay. Yep. So now let me do the other side. Do the other side. And we'll be done with it. Well, quit blinking. Yeah, see, these things are supposed to go around these, and I might do them later, but I don't know. I ain't made my mind up. Probably not. Whew. Sometimes little small projects like that turns into big ones, don't it? Just, yeah. Anyway, hey, I need some stickers, so if y'all hadn't sent me stickers or want to send me some more stickers or any kind of sticker. Oh, I got a sticker. What'd I do with it? I got a sling mod sticker we can put up. Yeah, go ahead and put that up there since we got one. Yeah, easy peel. Whoop whoop. Let's put it right there. Slingmod.com. Go check them out if you got they got all things, accessories and for the slingshots. I mean, not the slingshot, the Spyders, the Rikers, the F3, and that 3-wheel car. Whatever, yeah, I think that's called the slingshot. That 3-wheel car, they got stuff for it too. So go check out Mr. McStache, and his stuff's coming along at 22 is working out pretty good for them. They adding new stuff every time. So they want to raise $1,000 per state. So that's 22 states times 1,000. It'd be $22,000 for veterans suicide stuff and all. So go check out that video there. Check out mine right there from last week. The mess up. Yeah, and hit my subscribe button. Now I gotta clean up. Fun, fun, fun too. Time to clean up.